Hey there, Wanderlusters. If you've ever dreamed of traveling back in time to the ancient Silk Road, there's one country that's calling your name: Uzbekistan. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just looking for an off-the-beaten-path destination, Uzbekistan has it all. So if you're planning a trip here, stick with me as we break down everything you need to know to make your trip smooth, fun, and unforgettable. Let's start with the basics. Flights. Uzbekistan is well connected to major cities worldwide, especially in Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. Most international flights arrive in Tashkent, the capital city. So that's where your journey will likely begin. Direct flights from major cities like New York, London, Moscow, and Dubai are pretty common. If you're coming from North America, expect to pay anywhere between $600 to $1,200 for a round-trip flight, depending on the season and how early you book. Pro tip: book at least 2 to 3 months in advance to score the best deals. All right, before you pack your bags, make sure you've got your visa in order. Uzbekistan has a fairly straightforward visa process for most countries. Citizens from around 90 countries can get an e-visa online, and it's super easy to apply for. The cost is typically around $20 to $40, depending on your nationality. Just make sure to apply ahead of time, and don't forget to print out a copy of your visa. A little preparation goes a long way. Let's talk money, because everyone loves a good deal. Uzbekistan is incredibly affordable compared to most other Central Asian countries. Here's what you can expect to spend during your trip. On average, you can travel comfortably on about $50 to $70 per day, excluding flights. So for a week-long trip, expect to spend around $350 to $500, which is amazing value for money, especially considering the rich culture and stunning historical sites. Now, when's the best time to visit Uzbekistan? Well, the ideal time to come is during spring, April, May, or autumn, September, October. The weather during these months is perfect. Sunny and warm, but not too hot. Think 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for exploring the country's ancient cities. If you love summer vibes, June to August can be hot, especially in the desert areas. Temperatures can soar above 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, in places like Bukhara or Khiva. But the good news is, the cities like Tashkent and Samarkand stay relatively cooler. And for winter lovers, December to February offers a peaceful time to visit, with fewer crowds and winter landscapes, though temperatures can drop below freezing. Let's get to the fun part, the places you cannot miss in Uzbekistan. First up, Samarkand, the jewel of the Silk Road. You've probably seen photos of the iconic Registan Square, but trust me, it's even more impressive in person. Other must-visit spots here are the Shah-e-Zindas complex and the Guri Amir Mausoleum. Next, head to Bukhara, another UNESCO World Heritage City that will make you feel like you've stepped into a time machine. Don't miss the Ark Fortress, the Bolo House Mosque, and the Liab Eye House complex. And don't forget Khiva, where you'll wander through the ancient Ichan Kala and feel like you're walking through a real-life fairy tale. The Kalta Minor Minaret is a highlight here. Of course, you'll want to explore Tashkent, the capital. It's a mix of modernity and tradition, with Kast Imam Complex and the Chorsu Bazaar. You'll also find great dining and nightlife here. Finally, take a detour to the Kizilkum Desert. If you're up for an adventure, you can even go camel riding for a true Silk Road experience. Getting around Uzbekistan is pretty easy and affordable. Most major cities are well connected by buses and taxis. You can also use subway metro if you are a budget traveler. For longer trips between cities like Tashkent to Samarkand or Bukhara, you can either take a train or a domestic flight. The trains are quite modern, and you'll get to enjoy some great views along the way. start off, here are a few quick tips. Uzbek is the official language, but Russian is widely spoken too. English is not commonly understood outside tourist spots, so learn a few basic phrases in Uzbek or Russian. The currency is the Uzbek som, UZS. Credit cards are accepted in big cities, but it's handy to carry cash, especially in smaller towns. Uzbekistan is one of the safest countries in Central Asia for tourists, but as with any destination, keep your belongings secure and be aware of your surroundings. And that's a wrap on your ultimate guide to traveling in Uzbekistan. With its fascinating history, rich culture, and friendly locales, this country is an absolute hidden gem waiting to be explored. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your adventure today. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Safe travels, and I'll see you in Uzbekistan.